Are you tourists? Listen to this example.
You are tourists.
Are you tourists?
Now it's your turn. Speak when you hear the bell.
I am right.
Am I right?
You are tired.
Are you tired?
He is from Canada.
Is he from Canada?
She is American.
Is she American?
It is okay.
Is it okay?
We are good students.
Are we good students?
You are tourists.
Are you tourists?
They are late.
Are they late?
Now you answer the questions. Listen to the examples.
Am I right?
Yes, you are.
Are they late?
No, they aren't.
It's your turn. Speak when you hear the bell.
Am I right?
Yes, you are.
Are you tired?
No, I'm not.
Is he from Canada?
Yes, he is.
Is she American?
No, she isn't.
Is it okay?
Yes, it is.
Are we good students?
No, you aren't.
Are you tourists?
Yes, we are.
Are they late?
No, they aren't.
Are there any questions? Leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.